Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today, I'm going to be walking you through the Miles app and telling you how you can get rewarded for the travel and commuting you are already doing. I know a lot of you have reached out to me recently asking for a tutorial on this app, so I am finally getting that out to you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. My channel focuses on helping you save money on the things you want and need, as well as becoming a more informed consumer. This video will tell you all about the Miles app, how you can get it, and how you can earn gift cards and other rewards from within the app. And this is so exciting. So I recently talked with Miles to get all of the answers to my questions. That way I could create an informative video for you all. But we have decided to do a gift card giveaway. So 3 lucky winners will win a $100 gift card. So of course, all the official details for the giveaway can be found in the video description box below. But here is a quick Cliff Notes version. You want to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and drop me a comment down below, something travel related. Tell me a favorite place that you visited or one of your favorite trips that you've taken. The winner will be randomly selected. The 3 winners will be randomly selected, and they will need to provide the email address that they use to sign up for the Miles app. So if you already have the Miles app, awesome. If you don't have it yet, grab it using my referral link below. When you use that link, you will get an additional 1,500 bonus miles. So first of all, what is Miles? The Miles app is a free app that rewards you for all of your commuting and your travel. So the creators of the Miles app wanted to reward people for something they were doing already, commuting to and from places. They also wanted to incentivize greener modes of travel, and that's something I'll come back to here in just a moment. But basically, whether you're walking, biking, running, driving, Ubering, even flying, you're gonna earn incentives, or what they call miles, that you can then redeem for gift cards and other rewards within the app. This app is available for both Apple and Android users. If it's not an app you already have, definitely use the link that I've placed down below because you'll get an additional 1,500 bonus mile incentive for using my link. Let me quickly show you what the sign up process looks like. So the first thing you'll do is click on the link. You are then going to click Get the App and log in. From here, you'll be asked to enter your email address and to create a password. You will also be asked to enter your phone number and then verify your phone number. From there, you're going to enter your name and then you're ready to start earning miles. The next screen you see is going to ask for your permission to use your location. Since this app is giving you rewards for the travel that you're doing, it needs to be able to see the travel that you're doing. So ideally, you would select Always Allow. You could select Only Allow when you're using the app, but then it's only going to see the travel that you do when you have that app open. So let me quickly address 2 common concerns for me as well when an app asks to use my location services. The first one is, how is this going to impact my battery life? Is this going to suck my battery dry? The second one addresses privacy concerns. So let's talk about both of those really quick. So let's first talk about privacy. Privacy is something that is super important to me, as I'm sure it's important to many of you all. You can read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy for Miles on the app. I also talked with the representative from Miles and asked some questions regarding privacy. Do you share data with anyone else? And I was told that they do not share personal data with third parties. So now they may aggregate the data and share general information. So for instance, we have X number of people using the Miles app, or Miles app users travel an average of X amount of miles per month. So all of that information that would be provided or used for anything would be aggregated data and not personal data to you, because they do value your privacy. The second concern with regard to battery life. Now, when I was talking with her about this, she said they have done extensive research to make sure that using the Miles app and allowing it to see your travel from place to place did not reduce your battery life significantly. And honestly, as I have used this app, I have not noticed issues with my battery, and I use my phone for work constantly, and I have not noticed this to drain my battery any faster than when I'm not using the app. Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. How do you earn miles, and what can you do with those miles once you've earned them? So I do have my location services set to always, which means anytime I'm traveling, whether it's on foot, on bike, in a boat, if I am driving my car, if I'm carpooling with someone else, I am earning miles. How you choose to travel determines how many miles you earn. So for instance, if I am running or walking, I am earning 10 times the miles. If I'm biking, I'm earning 5 times the miles. If you are on a bus, on a boat, if you are skiing or on a train, you're earning 3 times the miles. If you're doing rideshare or carpool, twice the miles. Just driving or Ubering, you're gonna get mile per mile. And then if you are flying, it is 0.1 mile per mile. So of course, the greener modes of travel and the healthier modes of travel are giving you more miles per mile. And from the home screen, you can see exactly how many miles you have accrued and the trips that gave you those miles. But I'm sure you're wondering, okay, but how do I attach a dollar amount to those miles? So basically 5,000 traveled miles is equivalent to $1. So if I want a $10 gift card, I will need to have accumulated 50,000 miles. And I'm gonna tell you more about that here in a moment. But first, let's take a closer look at the layout of the app and what you can find where. When you open the app, you are going to arrive at the home screen. On the home screen, you can see how many miles you have earned and what tier level you are at. If you click on the tier status, you can see what level you're at, as well as all the benefits associated with that level. So as you can see, I am at the platinum level, and it shows you the bonus miles I get each month, as well as on my app anniversary, which is kind of cute, and the bonus miles I get on my birthday. Here in the mile bank, you can also see all of the transactions of your miles. So your starting miles and then any additions and deletions from your mile bank. One thing that I thought was kind of neat from the home screen is if you click on Trip Insights, it will tell you all the miles that you've traveled, how much time you've spent on the road, and how many places you visited. So going back to the home screen, we're going to look at that bar across the bottom. Those are the different pages that we can toggle back and forth between. We are going to click on trips. From this tab, you can see all the trips you've taken, the points that you've received from each of those trips, as well as the mode of travel that you were using. So if, for instance, I see that I took a car trip, it will show me the miles that I got from taking that car trip, as well as how far I went. Now, if for some reason that mode of transportation is not correct, I can click on it and I can change it. So for instance, if it was a carpool instead of just a car ride, I can easily make that change from my trip section. Next, let's click on the rewards tab. This is where you can cash out your miles for gift cards and other rewards. I know a lot of people like the gift cards, but I did want to let you know there are multiple types of rewards that are available to you, as well as being able to donate your miles to charities. Miles actually has partnerships with over 300 retailers with offers ranging from completely free products to exclusive discounts for Miles users. So if you're interested in gift cards, there are actually 2 different ways that you can get gift cards. You can either buy them outright, or you can actually bid on them. So if you want to buy them outright, you see that a $5 gift card costs this amount of miles, and you just check out using your miles if you have enough. If you want to bid on them, you can do it that way as well. And however many gift cards they have, the people with the highest bid amount are going to win that gift card. So let's say they have 20 $50 gift cards available. The highest 20 bids would end up getting that gift card. Now, if you're having trouble finding gift cards, I was told that gift cards drop at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So if you're wanting your best shot at getting a gift card, that is the best time to jump on the app and look for the gift card. Also, if you are doing the gift card bidding, you can find that from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. There's also something I want to mention about the rewards tab. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see challenges. They run monthly challenges that allow you to earn additional miles. So this month you can see the challenge was take 20 trips of at least 2 miles walking, biking, or running. So the first 30 people who complete that challenge will get a bonus of 2,000 miles. The next 50 people who complete that challenge get a bonus of 1,500 miles, and then anyone who completes the challenge will get bonus miles as well. Next, we're going to click on the Refer tab. If you have friends and family that you want to refer to the Miles app, you can earn additional miles by doing that. So now let's look at the Account tab. From here, of course, you can see your miles balance as well as your tier level, but you can also see things like setting your primary commute mode. So if you typically travel by car or you typically travel by train or by subway, you can set that in the app. There is also the Need Help section where you can contact someone from Miles if you needed help. But the one thing I want to mention from the Account tab that is notable here is you'll see a special code section. So often throughout the month, I've been seeing that there are special codes that pop up. And if I hit apply, I get additional bonus miles in my account. So that's something to look for as well. As an added bonus, from now until the end of March 2022, if you enter the code Christina250 right here in this spot, you will earn an additional 250 bonus miles. Overall, I found the Miles app to be super simple to use. You are going to accrue miles based on the travel that you do, and it's going to allow you to earn some rewards in that process. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to drop those down in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer any of the questions that I can. Otherwise, more specific technical issues, of course, you are going to want to contact Miles specifically so they can help you out with that. If you want to check out more of my cashback app tutorials, I will link those in the video description box for you all. Hope y'all are having a great day. Thanks.